Hey everybody, I just wanted to talk to you about Battle of the Books a little bit because this is the week to sign up if you're interested. So for those of you who don't know what Battle of the Books is, what we do, we have a list of 20 books and it's all kinds of stuff. There are graphic novels, some fantasy, a couple of my favorites. This book's in verse. We have historical fiction, lots of science fiction, more fantasy, some books that some of you might have read before, and then here's a real nonfiction book. So all kinds of stuff. That's just a couple of them. And what you would do is you're going to put together a team of 5 students or less. If you don't have a team, you'll talk to your teacher this week. Just give them your name, and then we'll work to put you in a team. And you and your group will kind of determine like how would you go about reading all these books. So everybody could just divide the books up and read maybe 4 or 5 each, or each of you tries to read as many as you can. And so starting the second week of March, during your recess on Wednesdays, you'll be able to come down to the Media Center and meet with your group and me. It'll give you some time to plan, to read. I can quiz you on some of the books and prepare for the actual battle. So the Battle of the Books would occur in May, so you'd have, I think it ends up being about 6-7 weeks to read as many of the books as you in your group can. And your goal is to kind of become like a pro, like a really knowledgeable about a couple of the books, so that when you're faced with your questions, someone in your group knows the answer. So for example, a question might be, in which book was the main character's nickname Filthy McNasty? So a lot of you should know the answer to that because you all read the book earlier this year, the crossover. So you would buzz in as a team. First team to buzz in with our good old buzzers would answer. If you get the answer right, you get a point. So you compete against each other. You'd be competing against other teams in the building and until we ended up with a final winner. So if you are interested, you need to sign up with your language arts teacher. If you want to put together a team of friends, fine. Your team has to be 5 students or less. If there are just like 1 or 2 of you and you just want to get put in a group, that's fine too. Give your teacher your name. We'll work it out. Our first meeting will be Wednesday, March 9th. And so I'll make sure that we have our teams together, or at least like I'll have all your names. You'll come down during your recess on that day, and I'll kind of give you more directions, kind of help you figure out how you're going to read the books, how does it all work. So that would be March 9th. So this week, the goal is decide if you want to do it. It's very fun. We did it a couple of years ago. We got shirts and whatever. I'll try and bring in treats on Wednesdays when we do it, just for fun. So if you're interested, talk to your language arts teacher or stop down and see me and sign up this week.